Next, we'll see how head deals with empty operands. Here we've got shape 0, we've got no items, and we're looking for the first item. So what head does is it creates a fill of 0 because we're working with numbers. If we'd been working with literals, the fill would be a blank space. If we were working with box structures, the fill would be an empty box. But we're working with numbers, so the fill is 0. We create a one-item shape. Turns the shape to 1. We take the first item of that, and we end up with the shape of an atom and the value of 0. If I go up to rank 2, we have shape 0, 2, and we have no items. That's what the 0 in the first position means. And once again, that's going to require a fill. But in this case, we need 2 zeros because that's the shape of the item. We make a one-item list out of it, change the shape to 1, 2, and then take the first item of that, and we get shape 2. Now if we transpose those two indices, we get an empty shape in a different way. We have 2 rows, we have items. That means we're not going to use a fill. We just make a one-item list out of it, so shape becomes 1, 0, and then we're taking the first item of 1, 0, which is going to be shape 0, a blank line. Moving on to rank 3, we have shape 0, 2, 2. No items again, so we know a fill is going to be used, but it's going to be used in the shape 2, 2. Then we make a one-item list out of it, take the first item of that, we end up with shape 2, 2. So this has been the head monadic verb. It's a monadic verb with infinite rank that returns the first item of its argument. Hopefully, after seeing the examples, you'll have a better sense of what it does.